Welcome to AKPGK channel. This is your ultimate guide for cracking competitive exams like bank, railways, PSC, SSC, UPSC, WBCS, Navy, Air Force, JEE Main, IIT, and many more. Get the best tips, strategies, and updates to achieve success. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
The next question number 1. In a certain code, star is written as 9187 and planet is written as 354296. How is start written in the same code? Option number A, 91,878. Option number B, 91,877. Option number C, 91,879. Option number D, 91,870. The right answer, option number A, 91878. The next question, number 2. Which word cannot be formed using the letters of the word computer? Option number A, core. Option number B, mute. Option number C, term. Option number D, cupboard. The right answer, option number D, cupboard. The next question, number 3. If table is written as GZOVI, how is chair written? Option number A, XSRZO. Option number B, XSOZ. Option number C, XRZOS. Option number D, XRZSO. The right answer, option number D, XRZSO. The next question, number 4. In a row of students, John is 15th from the left and 20th from the right. How many students are there in the row? Option number A, 33. Option number B, 34. Option number C, 35. Option number D, 36. The right answer, option number
B.
34. The next question, number 5. If in a certain code, APPLE is written as ELPPA, how is ORANGE written? Option number A, EGARNO. Option number B, EGNARO. Option number C, REGANO. Option number D, EGNARO. The right answer, option number B, EGNRO. The next question, number 6. A family has 6 members, A, B, C, D, E, and F. A is the father of B, but B is not the son of A. C is the sister of B. D is the mother of C. E is the brother of A. F is the daughter of D. Who is the daughter of A? Option number O. B, option number B. C, option number C. F, option number D. The right answer, option number B. C. The next question, number 7. A is taller than B but shorter than C. D is shorter than A but taller than B. Who is the second tallest? Option number A. Option number B. Option number C. Option number D. The right answer, option number A.
Thanks for watching AKPGK. For more updated, you must like, share, and subscribe.